We will install Blackboard from Play Store. So you can see here the icon. Blackboard is being installed from Play Store. Now when you will open this Blackboard, now here you can see the Blackboard. So this is your Blackboard. Now you can start writing here. Suppose you can save the content also, or you can start. Suppose I want to teach now about computers, so I can teach here. Like suppose I am writing here what is computer. So computer. Now if you keep your mobile down, it will be very easy for you to write. I will show you like this. I am keeping it upwards, so it is difficult. So if I keep it down, now I can easily write. Now what are the different types of computers? So 1, 2 and 3. Three types of computer are there: analog, digital and hybrid. So with your finger or with the pen you can write it. So here I am typing with my finger. You can see I am using my finger to type. So I will simply type here analog, analog, digital and hybrid. So three types of computers are there. Like this we can teach using the Blackboard, as our teachers are already teaching it. Jamboard also you can save the content, you can type with your finger, and in computer also you can type it. Now here you can save these things. Suppose I click this first one, it will show my old images. If I click the second, you can see here save option is there. So this I am clicking and it will save in it. So this is saving. Now yes, it will save. Yes. Now if previous next you want to go, you can see here. Suppose you want to delete all these things, so you can go to the previous one. So I am deleting it. And previous, like suppose I have saved it. Now I want to show the students the spellings. So one by one, next button I can press and I can show the spellings here like this while teaching. So I can save the content, and while teaching I will press this next button. So whatever I have typed, it will come one by one. Yes. Now like this it is saved. Now this duster is there for erasing it. So if you click the duster, it will erase it. And like this I have clicked, it has erased. Now suppose any diagram you have to draw the parts of computers. So here I am writing here parts of computers, parts of computers. Now I can draw the diagram here. Yes. Now in this you can write these are the input devices, all the input devices here. Input unit, this is the output unit, output unit. Now this is your CPU. Now in CPU you can write here the type parts of CPU, that is ALU, then CU and memory unit, MU. CU is the control unit. So now the output devices, all the output devices and all the input devices I can write here one by one. And while teaching, if you want, you can show your face, while if you don't want, you can remove it also. In setting it is there. So normally what happens when the teacher is teaching, if the students see them, then it is better. So you can remove also. So these are the different types of parts of computers. Now if you want to save it, I have saved it. So suppose next day again I want to show you, so I can show here. The first one is here. See the types of computers which I have saved it. Suppose previous day you have saved it, you want to show it. Then the next part also you can simply, you can drag it, you can share this in WhatsApp, you can share it. So these are your images. Now next is, so these are the saved one. I will show you. Suppose this also I have saved. It will ask whether to save it. Yes, I have saved it. Now I want to share with students, so I can go in the pictures. You can see here 3 pictures are saved here. So if I want to share this picture directly, you can select the pictures or the contents what you have written, and then using this share button you can share in WhatsApp and wherever you want to share with the students. In classroom, in Google Classroom also you can share the content whatever you have written and explain to the students. Now the flow chart, the diagrams, like suppose I want to teach anything with the help of a diagram or the flow chart, so I will start with it. Yes, now I am simply erasing it and then I am starting with it. So I have erased it and now I will teach any topic. Suppose today I am teaching the bank management or the student management or the school management system. Now the software they have to design is today the school management system. School management system. Now what happens in school management system? Suppose you have a central office and then all the different parts like the library, the admission system, the administrative department, the academics. So like this you can simply draw, you can write it. There's proper with the ballpoint pen also. There are pens available in shops, that 2 rupees pen are available, and using that also you can write it. So it is very easy to write with that. At present I am not having, so I cannot show you. Now in this, when you are asked to write, suppose school management system, I want to write here academics. So with small, if you write with pen, it is very easy. Now this academics I am writing here, then I am writing exam, I am writing library. So exam I am writing here. Like this you can write here. And you can save it. So previous to the class you can write it, all the contents, you can save it here. Yes, now it is saved. Now next day when I have to teach the students, what I have to do, I have to simply open it, open the blackboard, and which topic you want to teach. Suppose you want to teach types of computers, you can teach it, you can share it. You want to teach the parts of computers, this you can teach it. You can turn it horizontally, vertically, and then you can teach it. So here you can see. Now next topic is this software you are designing, school management, and in that all the topics. So nicely you can draw the previous day, you can save it, and to each class you can open the page and you can explain it. So it is very easy using Blackboard. Now the other things, that is using Paint, using PowerPoint, using the Word, Excel, how to draw. Suppose the diagrams you have to draw, math you have to teach, or any topic. It can be the softwares which you can use at Paint. So I will explain you all those also. How to use Paint, how to use. Now in mobile also the 3D Paint is there, in which very nicely you can explain using that Paint. So I will show it that.